Do you know you can help your parents sleep well at night when they have access to original shea butter to stop all those body pain, skin pain, ankle pains, and all these pains that affect elderly people? Yes, with shea butter, they will sleep healthy. They will massage their body, their bones, and everything, and they will sleep healthy. Elderly people are always, the bones are aching and every other thing. When you give them access to original shea butter, they sleep healthy. A grandma's testimony here. And then again, do you know your baby rashes, napkin rashes, and everything can be removed without any chemicals, without any other cream when you use natural shea butter? Bum rashes, skin rashes. This is another testimony from someone that has used our original shea butter. We have sold original shea butter to more than 5,000 women, and there are different testimonies. Do you also know you can use it for your hair, for your skin, for your body, and everything, and you will have a very beautiful skin? This is another testimony from someone that is using it. And did somebody ever tell you that shea butter is good for catarrh, for cough, for... Yes. Especially, that's why we have plenty of our customers buying shea butter from us abroad. Most of our shea butters are going outside the country, UK. You see testimony from UK. The shea butter has traveled far and wide, and there's been plenty testimony. You see plenty shea butter, but not all shea butter can perform the function that our shea butter perform. When I tell you, imagine the elderly people are using it. They use it for their bone, for their health, and they sleep very well at night. If you, the people that have spots on their skin, you use it for cream. You use it to clear the skin. You're having pimples or eczema that refuse to go all these years. Oh, just come and test our shea butter. Same goes for your baby's skin. You have original shea butter. Hurry up and get your own shea butter. See, this is shea butter, and this is for family use, for your hair, for your skin, for your elderly people, for babies, If somebody told you that shea butter protects from mosquito bite, yes, when you use the shea butter, mosquito will not come near you because the mosquito repellent. That's another news from me. And shea butter is used to produce chocolate. So you eat chocolate. Shea butter is used as replacement for cocoa butter. It is edible. It's just like your normal granola. It's low cholesterol. When you can imagine the advantages of shea butter that we have for you.